Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Very warm welcome to issue 75. It feels like a big number of the Back to the Future Delorean build in 1/8 scale from now Fanhome. Your car parts, the central panel and brackets to the roof. There's not much of a roof on the DeLorean because the doors obviously take up most of it, but this is the bit that fills in the bit in between. So we've got a couple of brackets to fit onto that. They screw in, then it fits on the middle. And then the whole thing screws in. Are we using those brackets? Are we screwing into the brackets at all? Or is that... I think those brackets are for something else, or they clip in somewhere. But yeah, so it will look like that once we're done. That is the central piece. And then there's obviously places for the... I'm not sure what they call those bits. The glowy blue lines. I'm sure there are technical terms, but yeah. In the film, behind the scenes, we've got the showdown at 8 o'clock. The shooting in Hill Valley. A classic scene for part 3, the showdown between Marty and Talon. Once again, cool stuff, good things. Burton Gilliam, the gun salesman. Yes, yeah, I remember him. Yeah, very cool. Yeah, please take it. He's really good at it because he does the arcade shooting, doesn't he? Yep. Next time we're fitting the fenders, the wing, the one we've already got, and a new one that we're going to put them both on at the same time after we've done the roof. And here is the roof panel. It's not much of a panel, it's only small, but quite important. So yes, this is what we've got here. We've got some screws and some brackets. We're going to fit the brackets first. They go on the outside. Right, so you're definitely not using them to fix things. These are what the flux bands, or whatever they're called, are going to fit onto. So we've got a screw hole in the middle, post next to it. So that goes that way round on there like that. And we need an AP screw to hold that in place. Get 2 of those out. Leaving 1. That's going to be spare. I'll add that to the pile. Screw on there. Going into the middle. The hole closest to the middle, should we say. On there. Sure that is in the right place. Tighten it down. Nice. I like it when it's an easy part of the build. That one, same way round. Peg in the lower one. Screw in that upper one. In there, then you can hold the whole bracket, hold the plastic bracket and screw that in. So that is how that then looks. We're going to be using 4 of these NM screws to hold it in place. I believe 4. Find out in a minute if it's going to be 5 or 6, or I've just counted badly. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 5. Yes, I knew it would be 5. I knew I would count, but count wrong. Not 6. See, you counted wrong. 6 is too far. So, yes, let's fit it on. Move the instructions out of the way a minute. Get this ready to go on here. So that fits on just like that. It really does. That changes it, the whole look of it, from a black car with chrome doors to a proper thing. So we're going to be attaching that using 3 screws along there and 2 along there. And turn it over without the doors opening, probably, but not with that opening as well. Let's try and holding it a little bit, shall we? Yep, bonnet open, but that's okay. Then the door open as well. Yeah, I might need to tape the doors shut so they're not going to be pinging open at a moment's notice. So there's just the 5 screws to put in place here. 1 there. One there. Going in now. Good. Another one right at the front. Come on, get on the screwdriver. and get in the right place. One at the front, get all these tightened up afterwards as well. And the 3 going across the back. One there. Yep. Same on the other side. About there. That can't escape very far. And the final one right in the middle. Holding everything together. So that is that. That is another week of the build complete. I'll get all of these tightened up nice and secure. And then that will be it. Another episode done. Another week done. And it's starting to come together and look much more like the car. So thank you very much for joining me. I hope you're enjoying the build, and I shall see you next time for putting the rest of the small metal on the front fender pieces. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye bye for now.